Hello my dears, good afternoon. How are you? Fine? Okay, very good. Okay my dears, which lecture is this? This is a English period. Which period is this? English period. And further we have learned small letters. What we have learned? We have learned small letters from A to V. From A to V. So, today we will learn further. First we will revise all the letters and after that we will start our next letters, the formation of other letters. So look here all of you. Take out your notebooks all of you. Yes, take out your notebooks, pencils, erasers. Okay. And be ready. Okay, ready all of you? You have take out your book? Okay, you have taken out your book? Okay, so let us start. Okay, first we will revise all the letters. After that we will start formation of writing all these letters. Okay, now look here. Which letter is this? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, what we have done? We have learned all the formation of this lowercase letter. We have learned all the formation of this lowercase letter. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. After V, which letter will come? W. After V, which letter will come? W. So today we will learn the formation of small case letter, lower case letter, W, X and Y. Okay. So you have taken out your notebooks. So are you ready to write with me? Okay. So be ready to write with me. Yes. Sharp your pencils. Sharp your pencils. Take out erasers. Yes. Sharp your pencils and take out the erasers. Okay. Now look here. We write W in three lines. What we write? How we write W? In like this. 3 lines, 4 lines were there in your notebook. How we write? From upper line to base line, then again upper line to base line, then again like this. But W we will write in 2 lines because this is small letters. What are they? They are small letters. So we will write in 2 lines only. Like this. Okay? Like this we will write W. Okay? Like this we will write W. Again, all of you now look here. Look here. Point is given on the which line? Middle line. Dot is given on the middle line. Okay? So how you will write? You will write standing line, then curve, move upward, then down, then curve and move upward. Okay? Like this you will write W. How you will write? You have to write like this. Down, standing line, then curve, upward, standing line, then down, standing line, then curve and then upward. Okay? So which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Okay? Yes or not? Understand how to write W? Lowercase letter W and sound of W is V. 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 Watch. Wait. Okay. Then. Look here. Next line. Just next line. How you will write? Standing line. Then curve. Upward. Down. Curve and upward. Which letter is this? W. W for watch. W for wait. W for white color. Okay. Which color? W for white color. You know white color? Yes. Like this. You write. Okay. Very good. It's same like W. It's same like uppercase letter. But only different is we have to write curve. We have not write like a sliding line. Like this. Okay. Again. Standing line. Curve. Upward. Down. Curve and upward. Okay, like this you have to write. Which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Okay, W for watch, W for wait, W for white color. Okay, again, how you will write? Standing line, curve, upward, down, curve, upward. Okay, like this you have to write W. Which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Okay, W for watch, W for, yes, white, W for wait. Okay, like this you have to write letter W. In next line also we will write W. Okay, two lines we will write. Okay, so again, finish writing first one row. Finish writing in one row. Okay, now in next row, write standing line, curve, upward, then again down and then up. Which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. W for watch, W for wait, W for white color. Okay, so you have to write neatly in the lines only. Okay, you have to write in lines only. Okay, again we will write standing line, curve, upward, down, then curve, then upward. Which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. Okay, again we will write neatly in the lines. Okay, not out of the lines. You have to write in the lines only. Again, down, curve, upward, down, curve, upward. Which letter is this? W. And sound of W is V. If in V we say V and in W we say V. V. Okay, again. Standing line, curve, upward, down, curve and upward. Okay, which letter is this? W. Which letter is this? W. And sound of W is V. 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 And sound of V is V. And sound of W is V. Okay. Now, after W, which letter will come? X. Which letter will come? X. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree. Okay. Look here. In capital letter we write X from upper line to base line in slanting line and again from upper line to base line standing line. Like this we write. Like that only we have to write small letter X in two lines. Slanting line, in cross, slanting line, like this. You have to write letter X slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter X. Okay, and X is a sign of danger. Okay, so we will write here. Okay, what we will write? We will write here X. X from xylophone, Xmas tree. Okay, so let us start writing. Let us start in lowercase. In small case letter we will write X in 2 lines only. In between middle line and base line. Okay, so start writing. Look here, dot, slanting line from upward to downward, again slanting line from upward to downward. Which letter will form? Letter X. Which letter will form? Letter X. Now again, look here, dots were given on the, where? Dot is given on the middle line. Dot is given on the middle line. So we have to write letter X in 2 lines only. Okay, we have to write same as capital letter, but in small letter we write in 2 lines only. Look here, slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter X. Which letter will form? Letter X. X from Xmas tree, xylophone. Okay, which letter is this? Letter X. Okay, write neatly and properly in your notebook. Yes, neatly. Very good. Very good, my dears. Write neatly in your notebook. Yes, you have to say and write. What you have to do? You have to say and write. Okay, say and write. Very good, my dears. You are. Yes, finish writing. Again, down we will write letter X. Okay. Right. Let us start writing. Slanting line, X. In 2 lines we have to write, only in 2 lines. Yes, down, slanting line and slanting line. In 2 lines we have to write letter X. Okay? Yes. Again, we will start writing slanting line. Which letter will form? X. X for Xmas tree, X for xylophone, X for Xerox. Okay? Yes. Finish writing? Yes. Start writing down. Slanting line down. Slanting line down. Which letter will form? Letter X. Which letter will form? Letter X. Okay. Again. Slanting line down, slanting line down. Which letter will form? Letter X. Which letter will form? Letter X. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree. Okay. Slanting line down, slanting line down. Okay. Which letter will form? Letter X. So now we have learned letter W. Small letter W, X, and after X which letter will come? Y. Which letter will come? Y. Okay, which letter will come? Y. How we write Y? We write uppercase letter. Capital letter, how we write capital letter Y? Like this. Slanting line and again slanting line. Which letter is this? Letter Y. Capital letter Y. But in small letter we will start from middle line like this, standing line, curve, down and curve. Okay, X you have to write like this. In 2 lines you have to write letter X. Okay. Yes. So let us start. Let us start writing. Okay. How you will write letter X? Oh, sorry. Y. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Then Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. Okay. Let us start writing. How you will write letter Y small? First standing line, then curve up, then down, standing line, and then curve like this. Like this Y you have to write. Okay. So start writing. You have done letter W, X, and Y. You have done all this letter in your notebook. Okay. So are you ready to write in next letter? Okay. So let us start writing letter Y. Which letter? Letter Y. How you will write letter Y? Look here. Look here. Standing line. Look here how you will write. Standing line, curve, upward, down, and curve. Like this you have to write letter Y. Again, look here down. Yes. Understand all of you? How to write? Yes. Standing line, curve, upward, down, and then curve. Which letter will form? Letter Y. Which letter will form? Letter Y. Y for yellow, Y for yo-yo, Y for yak, Y for yarn. Okay, again. Stand. Look here again. How you will write? How you will write? Yes, start writing neatly, okay? Don't overwrite. Standing line, curve, upward, down, and then curve. Okay, like this you have to write letter Y. Y for yarn, Y for yarn, Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Y for yellow color. So this is white color. Y for yellow color. Okay, again. Standing line, curve, upward, downward, and then curve. Okay, like this you have to write letter Y. Which letter is this? Letter Y. Again, standing line, curve, upward, then down, then curve. Which letter will this? Y. Okay, small letter Y. Small letter Y. Very good. Again, standing line, curve, upward, down, and then Y. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter Y. Again, yes, curve, upward, down, and then curve. Which letter is this? Letter Y. Y for yellow color, Y for yacht, Y for yarn, Y for yo-yo. Okay. Again, standing line, curve, upward, down, and then curve. Which letter is this? Letter Y. So today we have learned small letters, lowercase letter W, X, and Y. Okay? W, X, and Y. When you are writing, na, you have to say and write. Okay? When you are writing, so you have to say and write. So you will remember the letters. Okay? Yes. So we have learned small letters A to Y. from we have learned small letter A to Y. Look here all of you, A to Y. Like this, when we revise once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Okay, so complete in your notebook and write neatly and proper in your notebook. Okay, so till then, bye and have a nice day.